How is up, life venturers? It's me, Aka. Welcome to our channel, and you're watching Aka's Life Venture. Let's share. I'll share with you an video which shows that our area is also going to get flash flood. The symptoms are very small, but it's prominent that in near future we may have flash floods in our area also. So नमस्ते, बड़ों को प्रणाम और मेरे सभी दोस्तों को आका का प्यार। मार सके न कोई जितना कुदरत में है दम, कभी आंधी कभी भूचाल, कभी तो फ्लैश फ्लड लाइफ वेंचर। When I was small, I used to think about floods. I hope everybody knows I like swimming. So I used to think that water everywhere, so much of water, you can swim anywhere you want to go. Now you can imagine a beach, and I used to imagine like it's a beach with the sunset in the horizon, beautiful scenery. But as I grew up, I realized that flood isn't a good thing to happen. The disaster it causes, people losing their life, and sadness wasn't a great thing to be imagined as a sea or in a place where you can swim with all the dirty things in the water. So I'll show you the incident which shows the flash flood is prominent in our area, and I hope everybody knows that flash floods are much more dangerous than a flood. It was just 15 minutes for rainfall, and it rained very heavily, and that causes this video clip to be developed. So I'll take you to the video clip. You can see the clip where the flash flood is there, and I hope you know how much disaster can a flash flood can cause. So hope that that was just an one-time incident, as I have never seen that happen before here in this location. But for something to happen, those small signs which they show are the things which can be caused in future to see the proper disaster. So let's go over to the video and let's see the flash flood.
So you can see how much of water is flowing out here, and I have already told you that the rainfall was just for 15 minutes. It rained so heavily that this much of amount was there. This is like the first time I am seeing such a thing happening in this area. Although this was a sad day, and due to this rainfall only one of the small kids had lost their lives. He was informed that he was swept away by something like this only, where the water was running in the road, and he was swept away. So I'll show you the upper part. I'll go to the upper part now, and I'll show you the upper part, how much water is getting flowed in the upper part. So you can see so much of water that's coming from there. Although there is a curve in the upper space, so from that curved area it's all coming down, it's not going away. But this is a prominent that within 15 minutes, if the situation can turn this much bad. So what happens if it rains heavily for few hours, and Sikkim is not strange to heavy rainfall. This is all because like the drainage system is getting blocked and all. So that's why these flash floods are occurring.
I can only wish that these kinds of natural calamities don't happen to anybody. Although it's not in our hands, We cannot stop the forces of nature, but we can just pray that those who are in those kinds of situation can get out of this situation as easily as possible. So I'm pretty sure you have liked my video, and so kindly give me a thumbs up, and those who have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe so that I can get lots and lots of आप लोग का प्यार और ऊपर वाले का प्यार. Over and out.